Hello and welcome to this unboxing of this massage gun. Um, Here you can see the details of the product. It has a 2500 milliamp battery. It should last up to 5 hours depending on the usage. 12 millimeter amplitude. Has an ergonomic hand grip. Is 40 to 50 decibels, so it's relatively quiet, and has a maximum of 3200 RPM. Is it RPM? Yeah. Here's the side of the box. The top of the box just says massage gun. Yeah, pretty plain. But here's the back of the box. It shows you the package contents. So you have the massage gun itself. It has the attachments you can switch out for, as pictured here. It comes with a case, and there's also a user manual. Alright, so I'll just open it up. Alright, so yeah, everything is in the case already, so you can have a look at the case. It's pretty nice. Right, so here's the user manual. What is it? Okay. And some product certification, whatever. Yeah, you just quick click through. Just shows you features and other stuff what you'd expect in a user menu. Okay, so here are the attachments. I'll open them later, but first let's get to the actual massage gun. Right, so here's the massage gun itself. There's no attachment yet, but it feels pretty sturdy. Feels pretty comfortable. Here are the ports where you can charge it, I guess. I like turn it on and off. Here is, I believe, the cable for it. Yeah, so just chuck it in a USB brick, and that's how you charge it. And here's a bunch of I guess washers or something. Wait, I'll just have a look in the user menu. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I'll just leave them in for now. They look like a bunch of washers. Alright, I'm gonna try and try one of the attachments. Maybe maybe these are spare, maybe? I don't know. So here's the round one. Yeah. I'll just double check if I placed that correctly. Oh yeah, I need to twist it in place. So yeah, hopefully that's fine. Oh, this is like a LED screen as well. Nice. I'll try and turn it on, see if it has any charge. Yep. So you can basically control the gun using the LED screen. So it's, yeah. I just press here. It's going now. I'll go 20%. Oh. Yeah, I'm just increasing in power every time. So it appears to have 10 levels. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. That's pretty sweet. And here's like the battery indicator, so yeah. I'll just show you guys again how the LED looks. So you can see what around the fingerprint icon is the power level. And I guess this is truthfully I don't really know like the circles here, but yeah. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Thank you for watching this unboxing.